Hi, I'm Anukruti Govind Sharma from DRS International School, and today I've got a set of six very simple exercises that you can do comfortably and very easily at your homes. You can do these exercises at any time of the day that you want, and all that you need to perform these exercises is a yoga mat, as you can see behind me right there, and a pair of shoes, of course. So, without any further ado, let me quickly describe these exercises to you one by one before I start demonstrating them to you. So, first of all, today I'm going to start this exercise set with what I like to call as squat to calf raises. Now, these are excellent exercises to work your thigh muscles and, in fact, your entire lower body in general. From there, we are going to move into what I like to call as crouch to plank or plank to crouch. Now, these exercises work your entire body basically with a special focus on your shoulders and your upper body in general. From there, we are going to move into the next set of exercises, and these are known as single leg bridges. These are excellent to work on your glutes, and that's your hip area, so your butt area exactly. So, very good to work on your glutes and hamstrings as well to a certain extent. From there, we are going to move into your knee push-ups. Now, these are great to work your entire upper body, especially your shoulders, your chest, your upper back, as well as your triceps, and I'm going to show you how. From the knee push-ups, we are going to move immediately into what are known as Russian twists, and these are great to work your entire abdominal region. And lastly, we are going to follow it all up, mix it all up with a very interesting exercise. These are known as skaters. Now, skaters are extremely wonderful if you are wanting to incorporate some cardio into your daily routine. So, these are wonderful for that. And as always, I like to finish my workout with a couple of cool down exercises. So, I'm going to show you the swan and the cat cow stretches today. Having said that, let me talk about the reps. So, for the first exercise, which is your squat to calf raises, I would like to have 20 reps, followed by the crouch to the plank or plank to crouch. Once again, 20 reps for this exercise. Next on the list, we have single leg bridges. So 20 reps for this exercise again on each side because we have a left side and a right side, and we have to perform the single leg bridges on both the sides. Next, we have the knee push-ups. So once again, approximately 15 to 20 reps for this exercise, depending on how strong your upper body is. Then we have the Russian twists. So 20 reps in total. So 10, 10 on each side. That makes 20 reps of this exercise. And lastly, we have skaters. So there's no count for that, no amount of reps for that. But I would want you to do this exercise as fast as you can, continuously for 20 seconds. Lastly, we will wind up this exercise session with 8 to 10 reps of swan and similarly 8 to 10 reps for the cat cow stretch as well. Now it's up to you. You can either perform these exercises individually one at a time and finish three sets of each. So you finish three sets of, let's say, for example, the squat to calf raises, and then you move on to the next exercise, and so on and so forth, and then you eventually finish all the six exercises individually one by one, finishing three sets for each along with the counts or the reps that I have told you. Another option is to club all these different exercises together, create an interesting circuit for yourself, finish one circuit, and then repeat the same circuit two more times. Whichever way you choose to do these exercises today, let me assure you, let me promise you that all these exercises are going to have an equal effect on your body and they are going to produce the same kinds of results. So, having said that, without any further ado, let's get started. Just keep an eye on me, keep following me, and I'm sure that you are going to be great for this workout today. So starting with our first exercise, which is our squat to calf raises, 20 reps for this exercise. And this is what it looks like. here, moving on to your plank to crouch. So you start by coming into your plank position or Dandasana. From here, we go to the crouch. Back to the plank. From here, we are going to go into our single leg bridges. So how do we do that? So you lie down on your back with your arms on either side of the body, palms facing down, and one leg comes into a tabletop position. So one leg in a tabletop, and from there you're going to squeeze your glutes really hard to push your body up, push your pelvis up, and as you bring your body down, you just brush your butt slightly with the mat and take the pelvis up again. Up and down. Up and down. One leg is in the tabletop. Pelvis moving up and down. Squeezing your glutes really hard on your way up. And as you come down, just brushing your butt slightly with the mat or the floor. And you go up again and down. So you repeat the same exercise on either side. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. These are your single leg bridges. Moving on to the next exercise is your knee push-ups. So you want to make sure that your body is in a straight line starting from your head, your hip and your knee, and your entire body is supported on your two palms and your two knees. This is your starting position. Make sure that your wrists are exactly below your shoulders. Body, one straight line from the head to the hip to the knee. And just watch. Keeping your hands close to your body because we are going to do what are known as close grip tricep push-ups. Every time your body goes down, maintain a straight line and come all the way up, maintaining the same straight line. Down and up. So you go for 15 to 20 reps for this one. That's it. From here, we go into our Russian twists, 20-20 on each side. Great exercise for your abdominals if you're looking for a slimmer waist. Now I'm going to show you a toned down version as well as a toned up version for this. So if you don't have sufficient strength in your abs, you can just keep your feet down and then twist your head and your arms from side to side. That's the toned down version. I'm going to show you the toned up version. So you lift your feet off the mat, support your body on your hips, and just move your legs and your head to opposite directions each time. So if your legs go to the right, your head and your arms go to the left. If your legs go to the left, your head, shoulders, and arms go to the right. So just watch it. That's it. Wonderful. And finally, we've got the skaters, a great cardiovascular exercise. So you stand with a wide stance with your feet nice and wide. This is a wide stance which we've got. For the next 20 seconds, I want you to move your body as fast as you can in the skaters. So are you ready? This is how we do it. Keep moving. That's it. So these are the skaters. Followed by your cool down, the swan and the cat cow. So we are going to do the swan now. So you come all the way up, shoulders down, arms straight, and no bending at the elbows. And then you go all the way down again and up. Wonderful. Last exercise, the cat and the cow. So you come into a tabletop position. Check the position of your palms and your knees. Make sure that your palms or your wrists are exactly below your shoulders and your knees below your hips. And you just squeeze out your spine up and down and up and down. Even if you don't want to go very fast, make sure that you have full range of motion and there is a great quality to your movement. Graceful like a dancer. So, my lovely dear students, those are the exercises which I want you to start practicing along with me by watching this video in a loop again and again and again until you are clear and comfortable with all of them. I know they're highly simple, but at the same time, it's a complete package for your entire body, starting from your upper body to your abdominals, all the way to your lower body. This set works your strength as well as your overall body flexibility and mobility. So I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I am going to see you once again tomorrow with a great new workout, extremely creative, innovative, to make sure that you don't get bored of your workouts during this lockdown. Have fun, stay home, and stay safe. Be good. I will see you tomorrow.